Problem number 2. A reinforced concrete column 200 mm in diameter is designed to carry an actual compressive load of 300 kN. Determine the required area of the reinforcing steel if the allowable stresses are 6 MPa and 120 MPa for the concrete and steel, respectively. Use the modulus of elasticity of the concrete equal to 14 GPa and the modulus of elasticity of the steel equal to 200 GPa. So we assume that the total deformation is equal to the deformation of the steel, which is also equal to the deformation of the concrete. So we can say that the PL over, since deformation is PL over AE, the PL over AE of the steel is equal to PL over AE of the concrete. Since the value of the length here is the same, so that would cancel out. Since the force over area here is the stress, the same with this, so we can say that we have here the stress in steel over, may matitira sa denominator is the modulus of elasticity of the steel, is equal to the stress, that's force over area, of the concrete over the modulus of elasticity of the concrete. Since the modulus of elasticity of the steel is 200 GPa and the modulus of elasticity of the concrete is 14 GPa, then we would have here the stress in steel over the modulus of elasticity of steel, that's 200 times 10 to the 3. This is equal to stress in concrete over the modulus of elasticity of concrete, that is 14 times 10 to the 3. So if we simplify this, we would have 14 times 10 to the 3 stress of steel is equal to 200 times 10 to the 3 stress in concrete. So if we are going to simplify this, so of course maka-cancel na yung times 10 to the 3, and so we would have 7 stress in steel is equal to 100 stress in concrete. So we divide everything by 2. So given here are the allowable stresses. So we have the allowable stress for the concrete is 6 MPa and the allowable stress for steel is 120 MPa. Now, when stress is equal to 120 MPa, so this stress here is the stress of the steel. So substitute natin dito sa equation 1, and we have here 7 times 120 megapascal is equal to 100 times the stress in concrete. So we compute the stress in concrete, and that would be equal to 7 times 120. This is equal to 100 times x. Shift, solve, equals, and we have 8.4 megapascal. So 8.4 megapascal exceeds the allowable stress, which is 6 megapascal. So meaning this is not okay. Then when stress in concrete is equal to 6 megapascal, so we have here from the equation 1, we have 7 stress in steel is equal to 100, the stress in concrete is 6 megapascal. So we have here the stress in steel is equal to, so 7x is equal to 600 shifts of equals, and we have here 85.71 megapascal. So 85.71 megapascal, and as you can see, this is less than the allowable 120 megapascal. So meaning this is okay. So since for the concrete, since this exceeds the allowable 6 megapascal, then we have to use the allowable equal to 6 megapascal. And since the stress in steel does not exceed the allowable 120, we are going to use the actual 85.71 megapascal. So if we are going to summate forces vertical is equal to 0, taking the upper direction as positive, then we could say that the force, the load P, is equal to the force resisted by the steel plus the force resisted by the concrete. But the load is given, and the load here is equal to 300 kilonewton. So this 300 kilonewton will be acting here. That's 300 times 10 to the 3 newton. So we have here 300 times 10 to the 3 is equal to the force P, since we know that stress is equal to force over area. So with this, force is equal to stress multiplied by the area. Force of the steel here would be stress in steel, area of steel, plus for the concrete, we have here the stress in concrete multiplied by the area of concrete. So makikita natin dito, ito yung mga steel bars natin, no? So kung yan yung mga steel bars, we denote this as, so yung lahat ng mga to, we denote that as the area of the steel. This is the area of the concrete. So we know that the area of the concrete is equal to the area total minus area of steel. So we would have here 300 times 10 to the 3 is equal to stress in steel, area of steel, plus stress in concrete, and we have here area total minus area of steel. So we have here 300 times 10 to the 3 is equal to the stress in steel, which is 85.71 megapascal, multiplied by the area of the steel. So since ang kinukompute natin dito is the area of the steel, so we have here area of the steel plus the stress in concrete, that is 6 megapascal, multiplied by the area total. So area total is the area of the circle lang, so that's pi. The diameter here is 200, so we have 200 square over 4 minus area of steel. And computing for the area of the steel, we have 300 exponent of 3 is equal to 85.71 area of steel plus 6 times pi times 200 square over 4 minus area of steel, and that would give us 1398.88 mm square. So we have here 1398.88 mm square, and this is our answer.